Hello, my name is Donald Heffernan. I'm here at JTech, and I'm going to show you guys how to replace wheel studs. Today I'm going to show you on this little example right here. So give me a second while I hook this up. Alright, so I'm going to take off this nut here and these washers. It's kind of simple. All you need is your ball peen hammer and your 3/4 combination wrench. That's really all you need. And the stud that you change it, if it's broken halfway, I should have do it. So now I'm going to get my bolt and I'm going to get it flush with the stud. And I'm going to knock it through. There you go. As you can see, you have your stud out. And normally you want to replace these because most of the times when you thread them too hard, they usually come damaged, and wear and tear, it'll become halfway of a stud, and then you won't have a bolt to put on your stud, or you will. Usually, so just because we ain't got no more new ones, this is a little example to you guys. So we're gonna show you guys how to put it back on the correct way. You wanna have it about good 4 washers. Your nut, of course, and a little bit of lube if you got it. Alright, I'm gonna put these wrenches. I'm gonna put all my this back on, put all these washers back on, tighten this down, tighten. And we're going to tighten it down. We're going to keep tightening it down. Keep tightening until you can't tighten no more. And voila, there you go. The wheel stud, ladies and gentlemen.